களி திவ்யமாக இருக்குது.
How to make delicious Thiruvadirai Kali? Vango, I'll show you. First step, dry roast rice and moong dal and grind it coarsely. Next step, to a pressure cooker add water, cardamom powder, coconut, just a pinch of salt, add the ground rice and moong mixture. Add a teaspoon of ghee. We are going to pressure cook this. Next step, while the rice is cooking, let's melt the jaggery. No need for any string consistency. The jaggery has to melt and let it become a little thick. So the rice is well cooked. Place it back on low flame and we are going to add the jaggery syrup. Add some ghee roasted cashew nuts. Delicious Thiruvadirai Kali is now ready.